UK net migration trends and political responses amid rising numbers. In an unprecedented surge, net migration to the United Kingdom reached over 900,000 in the year ending June 2023, marking a record level since 2021. The figures, released by the Office for National Statistics, ONS, were initially estimated at 740,000, but were later revised upwards to 906,000. This peak is attributed to a variety of factors, including the influx of immigrants on work visas from countries such as India, Nigeria, and Pakistan, primarily to fill vacancies in the health and social care sectors. However, the year to June 2024 saw a significant reduction, with net migration figures dropping by 20% to 728,000. This decrease follows the implementation of stricter visa regulations by the UK government, particularly aiming to curb the number of dependents accompanying those on study visas. The high levels of migration have sparked widespread discussion among the UK's population, which currently stands at approximately 68 million. Concerns are primarily focused on the potential exacerbation of existing housing shortages and increased strain on public services. Despite these concerns, many employers, especially in critical sectors like healthcare, argue that their operations are heavily dependent on the contributions of foreign workers. The political landscape has also been heavily influenced by migration issues. High levels of legal migration in 2016 were among the key drivers behind the UK's decision to leave the European Union. Post-Brexit, the UK saw a sharp decline in EU migrants due to stringent visa requirements, but experienced a surge from non-EU countries, adjusted by new work visa rules to meet labor market demands. Under the previous Conservative government, promises were made to cut migration numbers. Measures were introduced to limit the number of family members accompanying students and care workers. However, these measures only saw temporary success, as evidenced by the record migration numbers in 2023. Since the election of the Labour government in July, there has been a continued emphasis on reducing migration figures by focusing on training domestic workers to fill the existing skills gaps. Migration Minister Seema Malhotra emphasized the government's commitment to tightening immigration controls, stating that actions would be taken against those who exploit the immigration system and the international workers. The decrease in net migration figures in 2024 might provide some respite to those advocating for reduced numbers, but it also presents challenges in sectors reliant on foreign labor. Moving forward, balancing economic needs with public sentiment and resource capacity remains a key challenge for the UK government. Thank you for choosing Satori News.